Installation Best Practices. All the tools needed to install ProtectionPro film are included in the component kit box. In the box you will find the following items: installation gel, tweezers, 1 1/4, 2 and 4-inch squeegees, microfiber cloth, and an install mat. Find a clean, well-lit area and place the device on the install mat with the screen facing up. The install mat will grip the phone in place to prevent sliding during the installation process. Ensure the cloth is clean and in good condition. An accumulation of dirt, oil, grease, or other debris can affect the quality of the device cleaning and installation. Only use the cloth to clean phone screens. Never use it to clean machines, furniture, windows, etc. Clean the surface of the device with the installation gel, wiping and polishing the device with the microfiber cloth. Using the tweezers, remove all speaker, camera, and sensor cutouts. Use a piece of the excess weeded film to lift any dust and debris from the phone surface so no fingerprints are on the device screen. Spray a liberal amount of installation gel on the clean device and then spray your fingertips with the installation gel. Peel the ProtectionPro film from the back of the release liner and spray the adhesive side of the film with the installation gel. Place the film on the device, floating the film into place until the film aligns properly. Make an anchor line dragging the squeegee lightly from the speaker to the bottom of the screen. Using an increased amount of pressure, create an anchor rectangle in the center of the device. Continue the install working the gel out toward the edges, never dragging along the sides of the device. Always work toward edges, never along the edges. Increase the pressure of the squeegee on the device, working the gel out more, using light pressure around speaker cutouts and curves. Use a high amount of pressure to squeegee out all the gel, checking for gel spots using the overhead lighting in the room. Carefully inspect the surface of the film for residual pockets of installation gel. Use squeegee to push any remaining gel to the edge. For curved screen devices and wearables, use the cradle method. Using the microfiber cloth, tightly wrap the device by squeezing all 4 sides of the microfiber cloth around the device. Take extra care to thoroughly remove all moisture under film and add more curing time as needed to ensure proper adhesion. Be sure that the customer takes extra care to not place the phone in a case, bag, or pocket for a minimum of 30 minutes following installation to ensure proper and undisturbed edge and corner adhesion. Forewarn the customer, there may be some rainbowing or clouding under the film even when all the gel has been removed. These begin to disappear after 2 hours and completely after 24 hours as the residual moisture evaporates. For additional training and support, visit getprotectionpro.com.